My name is Siddharth Kushwaha. I am from Uttar Pradesh. As you can see, the crime against women has been increased a lot. To reduce these kind of activities, I am going to introduce this project. Basically, the concept and idea behind this project is like there will be a small button-like device which will be given to the girls. They can use this device as hand ring, as keyring. So when girl will double-click this device, after that a communication will be established. This will connect it to the nearest police station, nearest hospital, and the nearest robot. And we will be installing these kinds of robot on the top place, like on top of the red light signal and all, on the top of the tower. So 10 to 5 kilometers of range. After double clicking this device, this robot will autonomously fly to that particular location. With the help of camera in this drone, we can find the criminals and shot the taser firing gun system to make that unconscious. So after firing taser gun, this was the first case. In another case, if these activities happening in any particular vehicle in the sense like bus, van, car, etc. So this robot has a system like the air will be open and drop, like spikes will be drop off to stop that particular vehicle. After stopping that particular vehicle, criminals will be trying to run away from that. After that, when we'll be trying to run away from that particular car or any vehicle, we will fire the taser gun for making that criminal unconscious. In another case, if the girl is injured or something, we can provide first aid to that particular girl also, and with the help of, there is pulse sensor also present in this robot. With the help of pulse sensor, we can calculate the pulse rate of that girl. So if we are using these kinds of drones on the top place, so we can solve many issues, like if there is like robbery or kidnapping or any criminal activity issues is happening in that particular area. So we can solve that kind of issue, and the crime level of that particular area will be decreased. So this was my project. Thank you.